Hi friends, this is one of the past questions on exponential equations that is leading to what? Linear equations. Now this is wassce June 2008. Now the question says if 2 raised to the power y minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 all divided by 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equal to what? 8 raised to the power 2 minus 3y. We are asked to find y. It is very simple and straightforward. So we say solution. 2 raised to the power 1 minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 all divided by 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equal to 8 raised to the power 2 minus 3y. Here, this part of this question, it involves multiplication. Why? Multiplication of indices. Why? Because they have the same base and the sign that is between them is what? Times. So what we need to do here, we just need to take one base, which is 2, and add the power. So 1 minus y plus, you take what? Y minus 1 all divided by 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equals to. You express this 8 in index form. That is 2 times 2 times 2. It will give you 8. So 2 raised to the power 3, you open a bracket because there is a power before 2 minus 3y. So we take 2. Now mind you, 1 plus 1, this plus 1 minus 1 is give you 0. Y minus y plus 1 is give us what? 0. All divided by 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equal to 2. Multiply these powers. 3 times 2, 6 minus 3 times 3y, it will give us 9y. So this and this part of this question is involved with division of indices. They have the same base. Are we getting it? So we take one of the base and subtract the powers. So now we say 2 raised to the power 0 minus, mind you, this has what? A power of what? Y plus 2 minus, you open a bracket, y plus 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. So mind you, multiply this minus throughout this bracket. So 0 minus y. When you multiply minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus is what? Minus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. So since they have the same base, you just need to equate the powers by saying what? 0 minus y minus 2 equals to 6 minus 9y. Right? So what will remain here is what? Minus y minus 2 equals to 6 minus 9y. So you collect like terms by saying what? Minus y, you transpose. So the sign of this minus 9 will change to what? Plus 9y. If you bring it here, equals to 6. While this also minus 2 will change to what? Plus 2. So minus plus 9y is what? 8y. Why? Because the bigger number carry this sign. Mind you, this is what? The bigger what? Expression. So it has a sign of plus. So it is what? 8y equals to 8. You divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. So this cancelling with this. 8 here 1 times, 8 here 1 times. So 8 divided by 8, it will give us what? 1. So this is the answer for this wassce question. This is another wassce past question. It's a past question, wassce. So if you have a problem like this, it is very simple and straightforward. You just have to master your indices, principles, properties, as well as the exponential rules, right? So in this case, you need to what? Change this it's 1 in index from how? You say 3 raised to the power 4, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it will give us 81. The bracket, you say x minus 2 equal to, express this 27 also in index from 3 raised to the power 3, it will give us what? 27. Bracket open, y 1 minus x. So you change this fraction to negative index. Say 3 minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 3 raised to the power. You multiply this and this, it will give us 3. So 3 times minus x is what? Minus 3x. Right? So since the base, they are the same, you just need to equate the powers. So 4 minus 4 times x is what? Minus 4x. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 2 is what? 8 equals to 3 minus 3x. So here, we collect like terms. So minus 4x plus 3x, the sign of this minus 3x here, it will change to what? Plus here, equals to, you say 3 minus 8 when you transpose it. So this, it will give us what? Minus x, the bigger number carrying the sign. So 3 minus 8, it will give us what? 5. So you divide both sides by what? Minus, so x equals to what? 5. So that is what? The answer for this wassce past question. There is another wassce question. Look at this one. It's a little bit more tricky, but very simple. It is very simple. Look at it here. Here, mind you, this is plus. They said 8 raised to the power what? M plus 2 raised to the power 3n equals to 1 upon 4. Here, just need to convert this 8 in index form. How? You say 3 raised to the power what? Sorry, you say 2 raised to the power 3m plus, because this has the power. So when you multiply 3 times m, it will give us 3m. So you say 2 raised to the power 3m equals to 1 upon, you convert this 4 in index forms. How? 2 raised to the power 2. So here we have 2 raised to the power 3m, 2 raised to the power 3m. So there is a common thing here. So you just need to take what? 2 raised to the power 3m out. So what will remain here is 1 plus, here also is what? 1 equals to, you convert this fraction to what? A negative index. So you say minus what? 2. Are we getting it? So if you multiply this 2 raised to the power 3m, it will give you what? This one. When you also take this one, 2 raised to the power 3m times 1, it will give you what? This one. Right? So 2 raised to the power 3m times 1 plus 1, it will give us what? 2 equals to 2 raised to the power minus 2. Right? So this has a what? A power of what? 1. So this and this one, they have the same base. Take one of the base, you add the powers. 3m plus 1 equals to 2 raised to the power minus 2. So since they have what? The same base, you just need to equate the powers. 3m plus 1 equals to minus 2. So 3m equals to minus 2. You transpose this plus 1 here, so it will change to what? Minus 1. So 3m equals to minus 2 minus 1, it will give us what? Minus 3. Divide outside by 3. Divide outside by 3. So m is equal to what? Minus 1. So this is a solution for this problem. This is another wassce question, June 2001. They said solve the equation. As you can see, this one, it is very simple and straightforward. 9 raised to the power 2x minus 3 divided by 3 raised to the power x plus 3 equals to what? 1. So now let's say what? Solution. In this case, let us express this 9 in index form. You can say 3 raised to the power 2 into 2x minus 3 divided by 3 raised to the power x plus 3 equals to 1. This one, they have the same base. But what you need to do here, just take one of the base, you subtract the powers, because this part of this question is involved what? Division of indices. So you say 3 raised to the power, when you multiply this 2 throughout this 2x minus 3, then 2 times 2x, 4x, 2 times minus 3, minus 6, so minus into. Now, x plus 3, where do we get this minus? Because we apply what? The division law of indices, equals to. So 3 raised to the power what? 0. How do they get this 1? Because they do it by what? 3 raised to the power 0, where it will give us what? 1. So the base are the same, you just need to take what? The powers, you equate them. You say 4x minus 6 minus times plus is minus, so write x, minus times plus is what? Minus, so minus 3 equals to 0. So 4x minus x, it will give us 3x, minus 6 minus 3 is what? Minus 9 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 0 plus 9. So 3x equals what? 9 divided by 3. Divide by 3. So x equals to what? 3.